It's a 2008 Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban is the American original with no equal. The spacious interior offers a place for everything and everybody, any way you fold it. It comes with all the amenities you need: AM/FM satellite radio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, power adjustable pedals, V8 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights 9 people seating, class-leading cargo capacity, lots of standard features, comfortable ride, and smooth V8. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.